Welcome to my video. In this video, I will be showing how to create content using HTML editor, including images, in D2L BrightSpace. First thing you want to do is make sure you're logged into your account, then click on your course, then click the Content tab. Make sure you're selected on a module, then click the blue New button. Then click Create a File. Enter a title for your new file. Then type your text into the box. Next, you want to click the Insert Image button. Go ahead and choose your file. Click the Upload button and then choose the file. Click Add. And then type in your alternative text for your image. When done, click OK. Click Save and Close when finished. Your content is now added successfully.